Social media is a buzz about the city of Eluru, and in this video I'm going to explain to you why this city from Andhra Pradesh is making headlines. And remember that this story is one of the biggest of the year. So what exactly is happening in Eluru? Well, since December 5th, there have been reports coming in of several people falling sick. And by several, I mean nearly 300 people have fallen sick. One person has also died. Now, there's a mysterious illness that's spreading to which there are no answers. What is this illness? Are there any basic symptoms, any similar symptoms that we're seeing in all of the patients? No answers at all whatsoever, and that's why there's so much talk about this particular city, and all focus right now is on identifying what this mystery illness is all about. And let me explain to you what symptoms at this point experts have noted. So according to reports that are coming in at this point, the people who've been admitted to hospitals are suffering from bouts of dizziness. There are people who are even falling unconscious after having a series of fits. They're feeling nauseous. There are reports of seizures also. There's also frothing around the mouth in some patients. Those are the kind of symptoms that are being reported in several of the patients. Some have also been experiencing some adverse symptoms like bone dislocations as well as muscle problems. All of this is being shown in some of the patients. So there's no regular symptom or one standard symptom in each patient, and that also is proving to be a challenge. The most obvious question that's then asked is whether this illness resembles any other disease. If you look at some of the symptoms I've listed, whether it's dizziness, whether it's talking about fits and seizures, or the frothing around the mouth, it all resembles epilepsy. But in this case, if it is epilepsy, how is it spreading is still a question. And at this point, experts are still looking into what it could be. They've not ruled that it's epilepsy at this point. They're still looking into it, and they're saying that at this point, it's a mystery illness. We don't have any details of exactly what it is. So this led to another question. Considering it's so contagious, is this an issue of water contamination? So authorities immediately reached the ground, started taking samples of the water as well as blood samples to identify if that is the problem. And at this point, to understand the origin of this illness and to understand more details of the disease, an expert team of AIIMS Delhi has also been roped in. So is it a case of water pollution? Is it a case of water contamination? Authorities at this point have ruled it out. They've said that there is no water pollution. So far, our initial reports have indicated that there's no water pollution. And this has led to even more questions about how this particular disease, this illness, or if it's a virus, how it's spreading so fast among people of Eluru. It's also important to highlight here that they have done a coronavirus test to identify if these patients have coronavirus, if perhaps these are symptoms we have not recognized so far for COVID-19. The answer to that is no. These patients have tested negative for coronavirus, so it's not a question of perhaps a different strain of COVID-19. And going by the blood samples that have been tested so far, there's no viral infection also reported. So it's not a question of a virus that's spreading. And so far, all the results that have emerged have only led to more questions than answers about really what we're dealing with in Eluru and whether we should be worried about a further spread. This is a problem, a paramount problem, because we're already dealing with a pandemic. We've all been fighting COVID-19, and in such a circumstance now, a mystery illness has also cropped up, and that's what we're up against. Authorities are working overtime to identify what it is. So far, we have no answers, but let's hope that this is immediately contained, that the illness is not just identified, but that the spread is contained.